Hello friends, today we are going to learn exercise of lesson number 11 work and energy of 6th science. Let's start. Question number 1. Fill in each blank with the appropriate term from the brackets. कंसात दिलेले शब्द योग्य ठिकाणी वापरून वाक्य पूर्ण करा. Question A. Options: displacement, work, force. Answer: a bucket full of water is to be drawn from a well. Work will be done when a force is applied to this because there will be a displacement of water. Question B. Options: kinetic, potential, motion. Answer: if a ball is dropped on the sloping roof of a house, it acquires motion and falls on the ground. That is, transformation of potential energy into kinetic energy takes place. Question C. Options: light, atom, chemical and solar. Answer: you might have seen some beautiful fireworks during Diwali. It is an example of transformation of chemical energy into light energy. Question D. Options: light, chemical, heat. Answer: the solar cooker is an application of the heat energy of the sun, while solar cells, solar lamps are applications of light energy of the sun. Next question. Question E. Options: equal, more, less. Answer: one laborer carried 4 pans of road metal through a distance of 100 meters. If he carries 2 pans of road metal through a 200-meter distance, equal work will be done. Next question. Question F. Options: energy, displacement, force. Answer: the capacity that an object has for doing work is called energy. Next question. Question number 2. Match the pairs. गट अ आणि गट ब यांच्या योग्य जोड्या लावा. Answer: 1. rolling object, kinetic energy. 2. food, chemical energy. 3. stretched bow, potential energy. 4. sunlight, heat energy. And 5. uranium, atomic energy. Next question. Question number 3. Can you tell? काय सांगाल? Question A. When can we say that displacement has taken place? विस्थापन झाले असे केव्हा म्हणता येईल? Answer: when the position of any object changes, then we can say that displacement has taken place. Next question. Question B. What should be taken into account for measuring work? कार्य मोजण्यासाठी कशाचा विचार करावा लागेल? Answer: both the force and the displacement must be considered for measuring work. Next question. Question C. What are the various forms of energy? ऊर्जेची विविध रूपे कोणती आहेत? Answer: mechanical energy, heat energy, light energy, sound energy, chemical energy and electrical energy are the various forms of energy. Next question. Question D. Describe natural chain of transformation of energy. निसर्गातील ऊर्जा रूपांतरणाची एक साखळी सांगा. Answer: plants prepare food by utilizing solar energy. The food produced is in the form of chemical energy. This food is consumed by animals. They develop muscular energy. The digestion of food also produces heat energy in the body. Next question. Question E. व्हाय शुड वी सेव्ह एनर्जी? आपण ऊर्जेची बचत का करावी? आन्सर, व्हेन वी प्रोड्यूस एनर्जी वी नीड फ्युएल ऑन अ व्हेरी लार्ज स्केल. द फ्युएल्स आर also depleting fast from the earth. By more consumption of energy, lots of carbon dioxide is produced. This leads to global warming and pollution. In order to conserve our environment, we must save energy. Next question. Question F. What is green energy? Answer, the energy resources which do not emit smoke and carbon products are called green energy resources. The energy produced in this way is green energy. Next question. Question G. What are the non-conventional energy resources? अपारंपरिक ऊर्जा स्रोत कशास म्हणतात? Answer, the inexhaustible and continuously available energy resources which were not traditionally used previously are called non-conventional energy resources. Example, solar, wind, tidal, hydel power, atomic energy. Next question. Question H. Which forms of energy from the sun are used in solar energy devices? सूर्यापासून मिळणाऱ्या कोणत्या ऊर्जेचा वापर सौर ऊर्जा उपकरणामध्ये केला जातो? Answer, in solar cooker, solar heater and solar dryer, the heat energy from the sun is used, while in solar lamps, light energy from solar energy is used, and in solar cells, solar energy is used to produce electricity. Next question. Question I. Why should we maximize the use of non-conventional energy resources? अपारंपरिक ऊर्जा स्रोतांचा वापर आपण जास्तीत जास्त करणे का आवश्यक आहे? Answer, the non-conventional energy resources are renewable energy resources. They are inexhaustible and continuously available resources. They are clean, sustainable, and they are pollution free. But the traditional non-renewable energy resources are getting very fast depleted. They also create pollution and problems like global warming and climate change. Next question. Question number 4. Who is the odd one out? खालील शब्दातील वेगळा शब्द ओळखा. 1. Diesel, crude oil, natural gas and wind. Answer, wind, because others are non-renewable fossil fuels. Question 2. A running car, hauling a log, a book kept on a table and picking up the school bag. Answer, a book kept on the table, because all others are showing displacement and thus possess kinetic energy. Question 3. Sunlight, wind, waves, petrol. Answer, petrol, because all others are renewable energy resources. Question 4. Leaving the fan on in a vacant room, leaving the TV on while working, using AC during winter, putting off the light when going out. Answer, putting off the light when going out, because this is the only way to save energy and others are actions of wasting energy. Next question. Question number 5. Find out the types of energy from following puzzle. खालील कोड्यातून ऊर्जेचे प्रकार शोधून लिहा. Answer, solar, kinetic, heat, sound, wind and potential. अशा पद्धतीने विद्यार्थी मित्रांनो, आज आपण इयत्ता 6वी विज्ञान विषयातील पाठ क्रमांक 11 वर्क अँड एनर्जी या पाठाचा स्वाध्याय अभ्यासलेला आहे. तुम्हाला व्हिडिओ आवडला असेल तर लाईक करा, शेअर करा आणि आपल्या चॅनलला अजून सबस्क्राईब केलं नसेल तर सबस्क्राईब करा. आज आपण इथंच थांबूयात. जय हिंद, जय महाराष्ट्र.